This is an outdoor wood furnace. Because it is an outdoor wood furnace, it is erratic in the burning or combustion of the fuel. The problem with wood furnaces is they are erratic in the burning of or combustion of fuel, and the problem can be resolved by installing some contactors, some thermostat contactors. Some wood furnaces use a very crude system for driving the blower. This crude system results in very little control over the temperature of the water. So what happens is the water is pumped into the building it's supposed to heat, and there's not much control over that. So sometimes these furnace manufacturers recommend 24/7 pumping of water, but this is really very foolish. The whole reason why you use a wood furnace is to save money. But in order to prevent boilovers and inefficiency and wasting of fuel, by the addition of temperature controlled contactors and contactors between devices and the flue fan control, you can turn a wood furnace into a useful device. The pump override is important. The thermostat control is important. And the contactors between each device is important. And the flue, all or nothing flue, is important. And all these things will be discussed. For just $10 you can buy a PDF which will explain how these things work, and save $75 when you buy 2 of these, which are necessary in order to control your boiler.
Hanging rod with 2 metal gold